Hello guys, how are you? And hope you are doing well. So we've finished national teams matches, FIFA matches, and we are going back to our leagues and club matches, starting from Friday. So as much as or as long as we are waiting for these matches, we are gonna play a safe ticket with almost $1,000 winning. Okay, so from this we will choose the best ones. The first match is far from football. Okay, we'll play this in tennis. Okay, it's Maria Lourdes Carl versus Francesca Georgi. Maria will win. Okay, the other match is Emina Bektas versus Magdalena Fritsch. Fritsch will win. The third one is Ella Schiedel versus Angela Feta Polota. Ella will win. We play these three matches with $500. You will get $1,201.27. These tickets is only to make you happy, and we'll wait tomorrow and stay tuned. I will give you a strategy in how to win matches in weekend without any guide or assistance of any other video. Take care of yourself. See you later. Thank you.